Hey everyone, I'm at the Rivavold booth, as you can see here at AHR in Chicago. I'm with Tommaso, who handles sales for North America, and he's going to talk to us a little bit about this new CO2 condensing unit that they're now bringing to the US market after generating a lot of interest in Europe.
Correct, yeah. All right, Mark, so we have here our new line of Transcritical CO2 condensing units. In this case, we're using a semihermetic compressor, so we extended the current portfolio that we have today available for a North American market that was with a rotary compressor. We get up to about 30,000 BTUs. In this case, we get up to about 130,000 BTUs, so that's about 40 kilowatts.
40 kilowatts?
Yeah. 40 kilowatts in medium temp,
okay,
and about 27 kilowatts in low temp, so about 90,000 BTUs right, on the freezer applications.
You mentioned semi-hermetic, right? Why would that be a good thing?
So semi-hermetic compressor, of course, gives us larger capacity. So as I mentioned, we get a very extensive range now, but also it's a more maybe familiar technology for contractors and installers compared to a rotary compressor. Okay. So we also seen that benefit. It's a variable speed technology, so we have an inverter, we have EC fan motor, so you have a modulation of the temperature that of course brings important energy savings, but also avoids all of those on and off peaks of temperature that you have with a standard on-off compressor technology. We have a very large liquid receiver and oil separator with electronic oil level regulators to avoid, to make sure we don't have any oil return issues, but also you have very long pipe runs. You can ensure up to 100 meters more or less, or longer. Also the noise levels are low. We have EC fan motors, and the compressor compartment is insulated. So in this case, this is just a display panel, yeah, but in the reality it has insulation material inside to reduce the noise level.
One of the concerns here in the US with CO2 systems are the releases of CO2. You know, that hampers the performance and the reliability of the systems, okay? So what have you done with this design to alleviate that concern for end users, potential retailers that would be in the market for this kind of unit?
Yeah, so we included, to avoid the CO2 purge in case of standby operation or power shortage, we included battery tampons that will automatically close the valve, so to maintain the pressures in the circuit. Plus, we are using a very large volume liquid receiver, and also the pressure design is high. So we have 120 bar on discharge line, 60 bar on suction, and 80 on leak.
So tell me a little bit about the modularity, because I guess that's an advantage for this type of unit, right, or this product?
Yeah, so these units have been designed with the modularity in mind. So it's a modular technology that can help a lot the transition to natural refrigerants, for example. So maybe you have a lineup of cases that you want to add to or retrofit an old HFC lineup, so you can just take those out and add a module, maybe 5 cases or five islands, or a mix of all of them. Or maybe you want to take off an HFC system from the walk-in, so you can just put in a modular solution. You can take off loads from multi-compressor racks. It gives you a lot of flexibility for sure compared to, as I said, multi-compressor racks. New loads, flexible remodels. There's a lot of benefits in having a modular solution.